What's the meaning of Cracker Barrel philosophy? Cracker Barrel philosophy. Cracker Barrel philosophy.
Cracker Barrel philosophy. Cracker Barrel philosophy. Cracker Barrel philosophy refers to a type of informal, homespun wisdom that is often dispensed by ordinary people in a folksy, down-to-earth manner. It can involve common-sense observations about life, opinions on current events, or advice on practical matters. The term comes from the old-fashioned country store where people would gather around a barrel of crackers to engage in conversation and share their insights. The result of Cracker Barrel philosophy is often a sense of communal bonding and a reinforcement of shared values and beliefs.